Auto companies chase tech talent post the digital turn. Hiring of highly skilled tech heads up 45%. In news from New Delhi, leading vehicle makers have been hiring tech talent like never before as they have set off on a massive digitization drive to boost virtual sales and smoothen glitches in supply chain, procurement, and manufacturing functions amid the pandemic. Hiring of people trained in information and communication technology (ICT), data science, and data engineering in the automotive industry has increased by a whopping 45% compared with pre-COVID levels in 2019, data available with human resources services firm Team Lease Services shows. Vehicle makers are also investing in digital transformation of their dealer network, which is not limited to improving websites or online payments, but also involves redesigning the entire purchase journey of the customer and optimizing costs and utilization of resources at the dealer end. The current quarter has so far witnessed an open demand of over 18,000 tech jobs within the automotive segment, Loiwala said. Top car makers confirmed increased hiring of people with data analytics background in sales and marketing functions. There is 45% rise in hiring of highly skilled workers trained in information and communication tech. Auto industry is hunting for talent from technology firms, consulting and startups. There's an increment being offered at 30 to 40% and 20 to 25% increment for other roles. Maruti Suzuki has digitized 24 out of 26 touchpoints in the sales process, exceptions remaining only for test drives and vehicle deliveries. Its closest rival, Hyundai Motor India, too, is investing in highly skilled workers in fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics and supporting them with futuristic learning framework.